Preparation is key when it comes to lead generation. With lead generation, you need to be knowledgeable on the subject. You can beat the competition if your knowledge shows you stand above them. With your determination set and your brain ready to learn, check out the great tips and tricks found below. If gain trust in your community, you can generate more leads. Avoid making your ads look like the next big hype or overwhelming with flashy cheesiness. Help consumers to understand that the offer is reputable and valuable. Be open and hide nothing. This is the best way to ensure that people can trust you. Reward your current loyal customers for providing you leads. One way that many companies do this is by offering their current customers referral rewards. These rewards run from future discounts to actual cash back. This can be a lot cheaper in the long run than any form of traditional advertising. See if you can sponsor local events in any way. Maybe you can buy uniforms for a Little League team, or have a banner at a church garage sale. If so, be sure to show up at the event yourself so you can shake hands and get face time with potential leads. Obviously, when generating leads, you are working according to a budget and cannot pursue every venture. That is why it's important that you do have a set budget and that you are always paying attention to discount opportunities when it comes to promotion. This being said, make sure the money is being spent wisely. Your customer base is going to be loyal to you and help you get new leads. You can accelerate this aspect of lead generation by doing different things. For example, you can start a referral program. Referral programs reward your current customer base for helping you find new customers out there. Find out if any local publications available for free fit within your niche. For example, real estate agents can get into the local new homes guides found in boxes around the city. If you are a dentist, you could get an ad in a free kids magazine which details local attractions. With the above tips, you can be successful at generating new leads. You shouldn't rush your planning, but be sure to take advantage of your potential as soon as possible. If you wait, you'll just be wasting your time, so get the job done right away. Student loan.